In this video, I will show you how to install LED tail lights for your 2005 to 2006 Mini Cooper. Please make sure you have all the tools shown here before you proceed with the installation. Let's begin by opening the rear hatch. Remove the access panel. Now, remove the 10mm nut as you see here. Using a handy remover or similar tool, pry on the sides of the factory tail light to remove it. Then disconnect the tail light harness. Now we can connect the LED tail light to the tail light harness and place it in the stock location. Tighten the 10mm nut, then replace the plastic access panel. Please make sure to check all electrical connections and light function before taking your car back on the road. Thank you for choosing SPECDTUNING videos to assist you. Please visit SPECDTUNING.com for more products.